Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change font size in Weebly. This is a fundamental skill that helps you control the visual hierarchy of your website and make important text stand out to your visitors. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your websites. Now look at the left side menu on your screen. You'll see an option labeled Website. Go ahead and click on it. This will expand a submenu with additional options. From there, click on Edit Site. This is where you'll be able to access your website's editor. Next, you'll need to choose which website you want to work on. If you have multiple sites, select the one where you need to adjust font sizes. Once you've selected it, look over to the right side of the screen and you'll see an Edit button. Click that button to enter the website editor. You're now on the editor page of your website. This is where all the customization happens. Your next task is to find the text or title element where you want to change the font size. Take a moment to locate the specific text area you're working with. Once you've found it, simply click on the text element, then highlight the exact text you want to edit by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. This selection tells Weebly exactly which portion of text you're modifying. After highlighting your text, turn your attention to the Builder menu. You'll notice a plus and minus icon displayed there. These icons are your font size controls. The plus icon is for increasing the font size, while the minus icon is for decreasing it. It's a simple but effective system. Click the plus icon if you want to size up your font, making it more prominent and easier to read. Alternatively, click the minus icon if you want to size down your font size for a more subtle appearance. You can click multiple times to adjust the size gradually until it looks just right. And there you have it, you've successfully changed the font size in Weebly. This simple adjustment can dramatically improve your website's readability and visual appeal. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.